Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lethal Gamer, and before I start this video, I would just like to tell that this is just like my opinion, and though I use some audience measurements and stuff like that, this is just like my based opinions, and this was not meant to offend or like hurt anybody in any way. Okay, with just saying that, let's start this video.
So, fifth on the list is going to be Carrie Minati. If he isn't one of my favorite creators, fifth on the list, yeah, if he isn't, I don't know who is. Because, like, his content is just best of the best. His roasting tricks and, like, the songs, all of it. And the fire in him against whatever he's determined to fight against is just mind blowing. He is my favorite creator from India, but fifth on the list for like nation, like international wide. Okay, because if he isn't the best in India, I don't know who is. Ashish Chanchlani and like I don't know, Tech Guruji, I think it is. Yeah, I don't know. Those people aren't on the list. Okay, because he is the best Indian creator that I have known and I will ever know. His content is fire. Okay guys, so number 4 on the list of my favorite YouTube creators and channels is Mark Rober, because he is just so inspiring. All of his videos are like content glued, and over that he teaches science in his videos without the people who are watching it getting to know it. Just look at the videos guys. Shark attack test, the human blood versus fish blood. He just conducted it through experiment. He conducted it through like all types of content is in this video and in the channel. He is just so good guys that I am always glued to the screen when I see this guy's videos. If he isn't the best like science creator in the like YouTube, I don't know who is again, because if he isn't the best engineer on YouTube, like YouTuber, not the best YouTuber I would go, but the best science YouTuber, that would be Mark Rober, because his channel is just phenomenal. Okay guys, so number 3 on the list is Matt Pat, not only the film theorist, because he has 3 channels and I couldn't put all of them on the list. So it would go with Matt Pat, because he is so like, I always like keep seeing this guy's videos. I'm like, okay, I have work to do, I go. But I'm like, man, I should watch some more videos of this guy. And then I just start watching. And once I watch one video, then I just see it turn to the like mentions and recommended videos on the right in the YouTube, and then I see like other videos. I'm like, damn, I have to see this video, and then this just keeps on a chain reaction, which makes me wanting to watch it again and again and again and again. I just can't stop seeing his videos if I start. Because like, look, you don't know how many videos I covered in one day, like a day, okay? Because one day I actually covered up 15 of his videos. That too just in one day. It just shows like this guy, if like he is my favorite like YouTube creator. But again, same as last time, he doesn't post like on list on a frequently. He posts like way too late videos, and like sometimes the content just goes down a dipping little bit. But yeah, that might be this time, because like due to the COVID-19 and the pandemic, we just like can't seem to get like enough movies. So film theorists and like other channels would be like game theorists. Yeah, that would be his like first channel actually that he created. Film theorist was second one. Fourth theorist. These 3 channels just make like the best 3 channels. But again, he just doesn't keep too much consistency. Once he posts 1 month and like 1 video, and then he posts 1 week 2 videos, stuff like that. So like he still is a great like channel editor and like creator guys, so he deserves to be third on my list. Okay guys, so second on my list is, it might be shocking to a few of you guys, but it is definitely PewDiePie. He is not the first most, because like the problem this time is that some of his videos are like, it gets boring after a while guys. Like look, in the last like few times I'd seen this one a little, and then I just like stopped seeing it, because like it started to get boring. some of the videos are good, it keeps you glued, and some just doesn't, guys. It just is like stop. Because not all of his videos are the best, but the videos that are good will keep you definitely glued to the screen. But again, all of the videos aren't so good, so that makes me put him second on the list. This might be shocking to a few of you because he's like the most loved, I guess. I don't know, but yeah, he is a good like channel creator, guys. It's just like compassion makes me feel like great about this guy. But again, he just isn't first on my list. And by the way, his pronunciation for his actual name, Felix Schellberg. I thought it was Schellberg, but never mind, it's Felix Schellberg. But anyhow, he is second on my list. Before I mention the number one creator on YouTube or my favorite channel, I would like to tell a few of the honorable mentions. Okay, guys. Honorable mention #1 would go to Anthony Padilla. I guess I'm spelling it right, I guess. Okay, yeah. So he is like one of my favorite again, but not on the list because like his content is good, guys, but not all of them are the best. Because like a few of them just go floating off, and but a few of them, yeah, they keep me glued to the screen, but not all of them. So for that reason, I had to put him on honorable mention and not on the actual list. But yeah, his videos are great, guys. At least a few of them, or like half of them are great, guys. So yeah, you should go check that channel out too. Honorable mention #2 would be the Dude Perfect. They are great, guys, I know, but again, what can I tell, guys? Like, not like most of the videos are good, but a quite fraction of them is not like actually like more like, how do I explain this? Like glue contented. Like I can't like go through the whole video for a few of them. Just like I don't know, guys. Not all of them are the best, but most of the videos are good, guys. Like the overtime, the stereotypes, and the challenges are the best. But a few times it just goes a little like over the limit, and it has to be stopped, guys. But still, this won't stop me from keeping them on the list. So this would be honorable mention #2. But yeah, a few of them just go bizarre. So yeah, I wouldn't like give the whole thing to it. But honorable mention #2. What can I say? Yes, guys. Number 1 on the list is Mr. Beast, because his content is the best on YouTube, and it's just not me talking. Just like look, like take a look at the graph chart that I'm going to show like in the next like I guess 2 minutes. Yeah, I guess around that much time, guys. But yeah, his content is like, though it goes overpriced sometimes. Like just look here, I spent $1 million on a lottery. Yeah, that's overpriced, but guys, he is the best. Nobody, okay, none, not even PewDiePie can actually beat this guy. Though he is like, his motivation and commitment is to PewDiePie, my motivation and commitment for the best YouTuber is for Mr. Beast and nobody else. And he just doesn't accept the fact that he's like, I have to say this, a little better than PewDiePie. Okay, I've said this. He's better than PewDiePie. Okay, I'm sorry PewDiePie, but like he is way better than you, and his channels are way more like good and content. Just look at all the videos of his. Most of them, all of them have about 5 million or at most 10 million views. Just look at this, 13 hours ago, already 10 million views. So his is the best, guys. He is my favorite creator and channel. So with saying that, that would be my top 5 YouTube channels, and I had created a graph actually for displaying of how much, like, you know, for the audience measurement. I took the last 15 videos, the latest 15 videos that the YouTube creators like made or like posted, and then I took like the like total views for those videos, calculated them and got an average. So you should see that average on your screen right now.
Alright
Alright guys, so that's all for this video guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I know I'm gonna say this thing again. It was not meant to offend or like harm or threaten anybody in any way. I didn't mean to hurt anyone. It was just for fun, this video. And this is only my personal opinions, not for anybody else. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, as always, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more content like this and other content. This is Lethal Gamer signing out.